I've been using the Logitech MX Keys keyboard now for the last 6 months, been using it every day, and today I wanted to give you my updated thoughts of how this premium keyboard has been boosting my productivity, what it feels and looks after some time, and how is it performing with many devices like Windows and Mac laptops. So if you are interested in getting a new Logitech MX Keys keyboard for yourself, hopefully today's video will be useful and give you detailed info and why it's the best keyboard I've ever bought. Let's check the design first. Design is something really. It's a low profile keyboard, really thin. It's having a two-tone gray. Keys have a darker tone which gives nice contrast to a frame. The top part is little higher, the part where the battery is, so it does have some angle. If you want to have some more angle, you can't adjust it as there is nothing that pops out to raise it more, unless you obviously put something under it. But for me, it feels really good and haven't had any need for extra adjustment. Keys itself are having this small round shape which matches and feels good in your fingertips, and travel distance for keys is small and it's comfortable to type, and it really helps with getting always consistent typing experience and maybe even make you type a little faster as well. The keyboard has some weight on it. It does weigh 810 grams, so it's really solid when you lay it on your desk. This keyboard is full size, which means you'll get a number pad, something I use a lot. Now after 6 months, when I look at the keys, it's like new. It doesn't collect any skin oil from your fingertips and functionality of keys is same as new. And what I noticed when I started using it was that keys are stable and there's no signs of wobbling, and after 6 months, it's still like that. Also the printing and cutouts on the keys is like new, not showing anywhere on those. So I would say build quality is really good. And about using it during this time, I've been enjoying how silent this Logitech MX Keys is to use. It doesn't make any noise. Another nice feature is that there's automatic backlight for keys. Keyboard has proximity sensor which lights the keys when your hands approach them, and also puts them to sleep when your hands are not there. In bright daylight you might not really notice that, but keys look really nice with low light environment. Now, as this is a wireless keyboard, there's battery that you'll charge from USB-C connector. Battery life is said to be 10 days when backlight is on and 5 months when lights are off. And you can switch off backlight from Logitech Options software, and that way you basically need to charge this only 2 to 3 times a year. Every now and then I'll just plug USB-C connector on it from Thunderbolt docking station or from laptop and let it charge while working. And there's physical power button on the side, so when you're not using it, you can switch the keyboard off, so it won't use any battery at all. And sometimes after workday, I'll switch it off and it'll increase the time before needing to charge it. And of course, there's possibility that you'll just keep it wired all the time, so battery is always full. Now, one reason for me to get this keyboard is the ability to easily use between different devices. MX range keyboards has 2 versions. Mac only version where it only works with Apple devices, and then there's cross-compatibility version which will work with Mac, Linux and Windows, plus also Android and iOS. This one is the latter. It has been really easy to switch between different machines, mostly using 2 different laptops, other one being MacBook Pro and other one being Windows laptop, and sometimes using 3rd laptop as well. That one is also Windows laptop. So total of 3 different devices in real life use, and there's been no problem in connections. It's super easy to switch between devices. There are dedicated buttons for each computer, 3 buttons, and just press of a button and it's connecting to that computer. It's quick. It's connecting via Bluetooth, and there is also a USB dongle in the box if needed. I'm also having Logitech MX Anywhere 2S mouse, which also supports 3 different devices with the touch of a button. This model is a small and compact, easy to carry with you. There's also bigger MX Master 3 mouse available. So if someone is using many devices, this kind of combo is a must-have. I can confirm it's working really well. Now, you can customize the function keys of this keyboard a lot by using Logitech Options software. I haven't had a need to customize anything, I'm using default settings, but in case you have a need to do so, there's plenty to choose from. As conclusion after 6 months of use, it's a great keyboard. The design, how it looks and feels, the typing experience, and it's so silent, but also easy and fast to use with other computers. I wouldn't give this keyboard away ever. And it doesn't show any signs of wear. Everything works like new after 6 months. And honestly, couldn't find anything negative of this keyboard. At least I haven't experienced anything. Only thing I can think of, situation where you need to carry this, for example in your backpack with your laptop and other gear. This might be a little too big and heavy in your backpack. In that kind of case, you might need to have a Logitech MX Keys Mini, which is a smaller version of this one and lighter for traveling purposes or as a replacement to this. Just something to bear in mind. And if you're new to this channel, I'm an engineer that has passion for everyday technology, health technology, smart home, but also personal finances and lifestyle topics. And if you made it this far, I hope today's video was useful. Please drop a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions, experiences or whatever comes to your mind. I'll try to answer all. Thank you so much for watching, have a great day and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.